Janelle. So I just want to go ahead and get straight into the video. I'm going to do a product review on the Collagen Eye Zone Gel Mask. I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step of how I, unpackage the product and just how I put it on my face and just kind of like a step by step. So I don't want to just prolong it. I want to go ahead and jump to it. So let's go ahead and get the clip moving. So this right here is just the product itself. It is the box. When you open the box, it has 20 packets in there, which is really good. I was really surprised about that actually. And each packet has one individualized of it. So first things first, what you do is start out with a clean face. Very clean face. So what I did was go ahead and wash my face and just make sure I pat it dry. And then we moved on to opening the product. This is the best part. Yeah, so when you open the product, just make sure you are careful because with the products, it was like kind of dripping out. There's a lot of moisture in there, which is good though, because that moisture is good for your face. So yeah, and so this is the actual product, and it's like that gold tint with the collagen in it, and yeah, there's a lot of leakage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you how it looks on and show you the application, because when you put it on, but yeah, so this is the jelly. It's really jelly. Really jelly. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my eye. You put it underneath your eye, make sure it's, it just fits underneath where your problem areas are. And you make sure you spread it out evenly. Good, good, good. So I'm trying to make sure, if you see here, I'm trying to make sure it's spread out really evenly, just so it looks really good. And so I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye, make sure it's spread out very evenly. And so right here is gonna show you the time frame. It's about 20 to 30 minutes. You set it on your eye, you just can relax or just, clean or whatever you wanna do for those next 30 minutes. Just gently pull from the upper right hand side and just gently pull it down and discard it, and do the same with the other side and discard it as well. You cannot use these over again because that would be gross. And then you're going to rub underneath your eyelids just so you can get all that moisture into your skin, and you're going to do that for about 30 seconds. So after you do that, then you can apply your makeup as needed. So I really love the product. It was very, very good to use. It was very moisturizing. I was kind of like, oh, I'm really paying $20 for one, but in reality, I paid $20, like, really $19 for 20. So, less than $1 for each individual pack. So it was really good. It actually helped reduce those that puffiness that I suffer from underneath my eyes. If you are interested in purchasing the product or trying out the product, I definitely recommend it. I did post a link for you guys or whatever in the bio. I posted it somewhere. So I'd be like, yeah, girl, I felt the same way, or yeah, I felt the same way too about it. Like I said, I have Amazon Prime, so I did get it next day. So if you have Amazon Prime, then you will benefit from that next day shipment. If not, then you may have to pay a little bit more for shipping and handling, and then wait a little bit longer for it. So maybe about 3 or 4 days. Either way, whatever Amazon account you have, you'll just have to kind of pay accordingly. So yeah, I definitely look forward to making more videos, doing more product reviews. If you like it, please like it, share it, subscribe to it. Most of my videos will actually be about fashion. But this is just something that I saw and I just wanted to show you guys and review it for you. If you like it, I'll continue doing more of these, finding pretty great deals on Amazon, and I'll post some more. If not, then I'm probably still gonna do it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next week.